Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, in the given problem, the metallic rod is oriented in XY plane as shown in the figure. Here, this is the rod oriented in XY plane such that it is making an angle of 36.9 degree with the x-axis, and the length of the rod is given as 25.0 centimeter, or we can say this is 0.25 meter. So in vector form, this length can be given as 0.25 meter, having a component along x-axis as cosine of 36.9 degree I cap, and a component along y-axis as sine 36.9 degree j cap. So when we rearrange these terms, we get the length of this rod in vector form as it comes out to be, this is 0.2 I cap plus 0.15 j cap meters. So this is the length of the rod in vector form. Now, the rod is moving along x-axis with the velocity v, which is given as it is having a magnitude of 6.80 meter per second, and as it is moving along x-axis, so in vector form it can be given as 6.80 meter per second I cap. Now, first of all, we have to find an value of the EMF induced across this rod, the magnitude of the EMF induced. So the expression for this EMF induced is given as, it is found by cross product of velocity vector with the magnetic field vector, which is then having a dot product with the length vector. So first of all, we will find the cross product of velocity vector with magnetic field vector. So we will put these values. For the velocity, this is 6.80 I cap cross. For the magnetic field has been given as 0.120 I cap minus 0.220 j cap minus 0.0900 k cap Tesla. This is the magnetic field given. So when we cross multiply it, so I cross I will be 0. So the first term we will be getting as 0. Then minus 6.80 multiplied by 0.220 I cap cross j cap. And then in the third term, this is minus 6.80 I cap cross 0.0900 k cap. So it will become, first of all, when we multiply this 6.80 with the 0.220, we will get 1.5, and for I cross j, we will get k cap and minus. And here, this will become plus, because I cross k will come out to be minus j. Hence, this negative with negative will become positive. And the value of this will be 0.612. For I cross k, this will be j, minus j. And this is the V cross B. Now we have to find the EMF induced. So this will be V cross B dot L. So for V cross B, we are having 0.612 J cap minus 1.5 K cap dot 0.2 I cap plus 0.15 J cap. So here the term remaining only will be this j dot j. All the terms will become 0. So finally we will get this is 0.612 multiplied by 0.15 j dot j, which comes out to be 1. All other terms will reduce to 0. So finally the EMF induced across the rod will come out to be 0.092 volt. This is the answer for the first part. Now in the second part, we have to find which of the end of the rod will be at higher potential. And as here, in the cross product of V with the B, this is 0.612 J cap minus 1.5 K cap. As we are having positive value of J cap means y-axis. So it means the potential is increasing along the y-axis, means upper end of this rod should be at higher potential. Upper end of the rod is at higher potential. Thank you.